Welcome back to Google Guru. This video is brought to you by Cloud Sherpas.
Hello everyone, so welcome to video 7 of the top 10 Sherpa tips for email administration in the context of Google Apps. So this video, I just want to walk you through a basic content management rule in the Google email system. So first thing you're going to do is open a browser and authenticate against admin.google.com, and I've already done so. So next you're going to find the Google Apps button and you're going to click it. Then you're going to go to Gmail, click that. Then you're going to scroll down to Advanced Settings, click that. And then at this point it's going to look a lot like the classic control panel. If you have familiarity with that, you just scroll down until you start seeing content compliance, and we've got a lot. So if you don't have any, the button that you're going to see over here is Configure. So just to demonstrate, so Configure would be the button that you would see if it hasn't been touched as of yet. But since we do have a lot of them, and we're going to hit Add Another. So the behavior on inbound and outbound is a little bit different, also for internal sending and internal receiving. If someone inside your environment does something that violates this rule, they will get a pop-up that says, hey, or in the web UI that says, hey, you're not supposed to do this. Actually, more specifically, it's going to throw back whatever you put in here if you set it to reject the message. Anybody external trying to send inbound that violates this message, if it's set to reject, will get a bounce back or a 500 level error citing whatever you put in this rejection notice. So definitely make sure that you select this appropriately. Now you can say if any or all, so there's a bit of Boolean logic that you can use here in order to determine what messages are going to be affected. So if you change to all or any, nothing really changes. Then you've got expressions. So you hit Add. You can look for simple content or advanced. And you've got so much that you can actually select from in location. This is incredibly useful. Note the distinction between like sender header, envelope sender, recipient header, any envelope recipient. So sender header and recipient header, that's going to be what's actually in the body of the message versus where it's actually going, such as with the envelope recipient versus what's in the SMTP conversation with envelope sender and envelope recipient. And then you've got raw message, which is going to be basically everything that's in the original message source. And then you just throw in the condition, contains, doesn't contains, and then what you're looking for. And then finally, you've got the options for bypassing it. So you can leave this unchecked and it will affect everybody in whatever org you're creating it, including children orgs, though in the child orgs, you can set it to override so that it's not inherited. But if you want to create a specific whitelist, you can click that. We've already got a lot of lists available, or you can click a new one. You hit Use, and then if you want to manipulate the entries in that list, you just hit the appropriate button and it'll let you type. And that's pretty much it for content management.